that one message for my children. Sobrang young nila para marinig to, but I would like to tell them na meron silang matapang na nanay. A strong, independent mama na gagawin lahat for them. At if I would given a chance to sacrifice a lot more things pa, I would do it for them.
Yung napagdaanan ko sa mother and habang nagbubuntis is hindi niya maranasan. Kasi yung sa partner ko, yung sa side niya, perfect family sila eh. And yung sa akin, hindi naman. So, ang message ko sa kanya is yung mga naranasan ko is hindi niya maranasan from family to relationships. And yun lang. Sana paglaki niya, maging stable lahat. Aayon lahat sa kanya. And love na love ko siya.
I will always remember that I will be here no matter what. And of course, being a mother, I will love them unconditionally because
Message ko, lumaki sila na may takot sa Diyos, maging disiplinadong tao, may respeto sa kapwa. Yun lang. Magkaroon lang sila ng ganun. Feeling ko parang in the future, magiging successful sila.
For me, ang masasabi ko lang is mahal na mahal ko silang lahat. And kapit lang, as long as mama and papa is here, kakayanan natin lahat.
I hope Scott can hear me from above. So, my message for him is, I hope he felt my love for him, and I'm so sorry for what happened to him, and I just want to let him know that I love him so much, and I will
I will continue to support them sa lahat ng kanilang endeavor sa buhay, and also will always guide them sa mga gusto nilang mangyayari sa buhay nila.
The ultimate message that I want to give them would be thank you and sorry.
And syempre, mahal na mahal ko yung mga anak ko, no? Kahit na yung matira kaming tatlo, basta nandyan lang sila, kayang-kaya ko. I know na kaya ko magpatuloy sa life. Yun.
Be a better mother than I am now.
I'm still here, will always be a mother, and mother unconditional love talaga na kahit na napakasama ng anak mo pa rin siya. Kaya mo siyang patawarin or even kahit na sabihan ka ng masasama. Pero nanay kayo, pagtitiis ng isang nanay, walang katumbas talaga.
Would want to give my kids that it's such a cliche, but you know how much I love them and how much they mean to me, that I would sacrifice everything to protect them, to provide everything they need.
My message is for her to find herself, be successful in whatever she wants to do. If in time she grows up, she wants to have a family of their own, I think what I want her to realize is that she is her own person. She can be a mother and still be a successful person.
Siguro yung lagi kong sinasabi sa baby ko, wala sigurong araw na hindi ko sinabi sa kanya or walang time na hindi ko sinabi sa kanya na Mommy loves you so much. Yun lang, yun talaga yung pinaka-message ko. And iwanan na siya ng lahat. Nandito lang ako. Never ko siya ipagpapalit sa kahit kanino.
enjoy your life.
Ang mga anak,
Alam niyo naman na always naman na nandito kami ni Papa niyo. We're always supporting you. And we believe in you, in your journey. And alam namin na malakas kayo, kaya nyo yung sarili nyo. Pero lagi pa rin kaming nandito para suportahan kayo.
Just enjoy your life. Do not think of taking back all the sacrifices that I made. Just enjoy and have a good life. Something that I would like to impart to my children, I would like to tell them that no matter what happens, even if they have already built their own paths and they established their own lives, I will always be a mother to them. Even if I grow old, I will exert everything and do everything until the last drop of my strength and until my last breath. I will always be their mother.